Okay, dapat ba i-finance or uutangin ang second-hand car? First, malaki talaga ang interest rate ng mga financing company sa mga second-hand car. Especially na hindi bangko yan. Hindi talaga sila mag-finance na second-hand car or used one. Dahil mas mataas ang risk nila dito. So other company, financing company, binabawi na lang nila sa mga interest rate. Second is madalas mawalan sila ng bargaining power. Meaning to say, since naka-finance yan, wala ka ng ability na mapatawad or ihangyo ang price. Kung sa baga, susunod ka lang sa sineset ng mga seller nila. Usually higher than the market value. So if you cannot afford to buy a second-hand car, if you cannot afford to buy a cash na sa second-hand car, better have it finance na brand new kasi hindi ka na magproblema sa maintenance. Ang problemahin mo na lang is the monthly amortization mo. So, mura na siya akong tips and tricks sa car loan, and I hope this helps in deciding you to purchase or to have to get your brand new car or to get a new car. This is it. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.